Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening. Thank you for joining me. Today's topic is winter in the garden. I'm in Northeast Connecticut and we're getting some snow here. And a lot of you might think, wow, what's going on in the garden? It's winter in New England. However, there's a lot of beautiful things going on in the garden right now. So join me today for a winter garden tour, and I'm going to talk about a few things that I really love about a winter garden. Here are my containers on my back patio that frame the garden above the wall here. And I just love these containers for some structure and some color and interest. I have some evergreens planted in a couple of them. And then others are just filled with some greens, berries, and some garden structures. Up on the top of the wall, you can see my dwarf maple, which I love the form and the way the snow sits on it in the winter when nothing else is really going on. And you're going to see this little dwarf maple again in this video. Here are my hydrangeas, my endless summers. And although they are dormant right now, I still think the color really pops, and I've added a little statue in here. My dwarf Colorado blue spruce, which I absolutely love, is really stunning this time of year with its steely blue needles. And then you can see my panicle hydrangea bobo, which I talk a lot about. And this is the reason here why I don't trim those back until the spring. I just love to see the spent blooms, and the birds enjoy them too for some nesting material, but they're also really pretty this time of year. I've got a little dwarf grass here, which is called hamelm. And some more hydrangeas, and you're going to see even more of those in this video. And then I've got a beautiful Pieris japonica called Dorothy Wyckoff. And I think this shrub here gives you so much return on your investment because it's an evergreen that flowers, and you can still see the spent blooms this time of year, and they're a burgundy red. And that's our tour, folks. So I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. I really enjoy doing these videos. And if you like this video, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe to our channel for some future gardening fun.